Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this course we will create our own cryptocurrency and ICO webpage from scratch. Before I'm going to show you this main project, I want to give you some general informations about ICOs. Well, an initial coin offering, in short ICO, is similar to an initial public offering in which investors purchase shares of a company. But an ICO is much easier to create, and basically everyone is able to start an ICO. For example, if you have a nice business or app idea, then you can simply present your idea on the social medias, on the Bitcoin forum, on Reddit, Twitter, etc. Interested investors can contribute to the offering by buying a new cryptocurrency token specified to the ICO. If your idea is good, then you can raise tons of money. I really mean tons of money. Here a small diagram. So in 2018 we had about 1000 ICOs. They earned in total over $20 billion. That means an average ICO, so just like that what we will create in this course from scratch, raised about $20 million. Therefore an ICO is at that moment the most powerful kickstart for your business or app idea to raise money from investors. So enough about ICOs. What we will create here exactly? Well, we will create as main project this ICO webpage with our own ERC20 token based on the Ethereum platform. So we will create this template which you can easily modify for your project. This ICO contains all the basic stuff like an area for the roadmap, white paper and the team. You can contribute to the ICO by buying our own ERC20 token with real Ether by using MetaMask. Like a real ERC20 token, all of our transactions will be tracked on the blockchain. If you are interested in this topic, then you can check the next videos. There I give you more information about the ICO webpage, what the blockchain is, Ethereum, etc.